Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Without Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I am going to work on this movement. It's an automatic movement. Due to YouTube counterfeit policies, I will not mention this movement number in this video title or in its description. This is how we can remove this movement rotor. We have to pull this lever like this and then we can easily remove the rotor. Now I will again lock the lever. And I will take out this automatic wheel section. Here we can see some of the teeth of the ball wheel are missing. And by the way, there are many parts in this movement which are broken. So my purpose in this video is not to make this movement work, but to show you guys the assembly and disassembly of this movement. Now I will take out the balance wheel. Once we take out the balance wheel, we can remove the pallet fork. Now I will take out the ratchet wheel. And then I will remove the drain bridge. This is the third wheel, center second wheel or fourth wheel, escape wheel. And here we can see the center second wheel upper pivot is broken. Now I will take out the crown wheel bridge. Here is the crown wheel bridge and underneath there is crown wheel. And this is barrel complete bridge and this is barrel complete. Now I will start taking out the calendar side.